Hello. So, some people just have it. Not money, not beauty. Taste. Chic. What does chic mean? Chic is an adjective which means fashionable, elegant, classy. But for me, chic is way more than that. I think it's the confidence, the way you carry yourself, the way you move through life. Anyways, I have my laptop ready. So let's just sit down and let's see the things that I find chic. On number one, we have jorts, like people who can actually pull off jorts. I love jorts, okay, and I think that jorts are insanely cool. That's the thing. I think jorts are either insanely cool or they are really difficult to style. There is no in between. So I think they are really chic. Like people who pull them off are chic. On number two, we have smelling good. And मैं सिर्फ परफ्यूम की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ. I think smelling good starts from your bath. Like body wash, your lotion, your shampoo, ये सारी चीज़ें मिलाकर if you smell good, I think it's really chic. And मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जब तुम सिर्फ परफ्यूम मारते हो, it just goes into your nose, and I think that smell is not pleasant. I am talking about pleasant smell, and I hate those smells which just goes into your nose and then you feel irritated. I hate it. But pleasantly smelling good is something I love. On number three, we have accessorizing properly. Like जो तुम्हारे पास है वो सब स्टैक करके पहन लिया. I just think that is not it. तुम्हारे आउटफिट को कोऑर्डिनेट करके जो you wear accessories and you stack them properly. I just love it. I think that is insanely chic. Number four, I think as we are talking about accessories, I love chunky bangles. And I think they are recently really trending, and I think they look really chic, and they can go on almost all outfits, and that's why I love them and I would like to own them. On number five, we have trench coats. मुझे पता है कि इंडिया का वेदर is not really suitable for trench coats, but I think that they look absolutely chic. I have seen women wearing that, and I would love to wear and style them. On number six, we have cheetah print tops. You can style it on basic outfits, on chunky outfits, whatever you like to style them. On number seven, we have sunglasses. The sunglasses which actually suit your face. I think it just changes your whole vibe, and it puts the whole outfit together. So I think choosing the proper sunglasses is also really essential. Number eight, we have basic outfits. So I think basic outfit, if you can style basic outfit, I think they could be chic too. I love basic outfits. Like I'm not a person who goes out so much, and for me, I need outfits for my college, and I think basic outfits are just it. You could look really good with really less effort. Number nine, people who actually care for themselves. It's just not about look. If you do skincare, if you exercise, if you eat healthy, that just makes you chic. क्योंकि अगर तुम खुद की परवाह ही नहीं कर रहे हो and you're just putting some nice clothes on, it does not make sense. You should, and I am also trying to do it. I am no such expert in this, but I am also trying to integrate this in my life. I think that taking care of your skin, your body, your health, your food matters so much in life, and I think the girls or the people who do it are so chic. And on number 10, we have styling messy hair. Like, you know, those girls who just put buns and they look incredibly cool, or you know, just carrying your messy hair so good. I don't know how you do it. Like, I look terrible in my messy hair. So yeah, so that were the things that I really find chic. और मुझे लगता है कि being chic is just being who you are and being comfortable with who you are, wearing whatever you like, doing whatever you want. So yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.